Hare Krishna. Welcome to my channel Krsnatarian. If this is your first time watching this video or visiting the channel, then don't forget to subscribe to it. If you have been watching my videos regularly but haven't yet subscribed, then please subscribe to it. If there are any constructive feedbacks or any queries related to the recipe, food or the diet of Krishna consciousness or Krsnatarian, then please write to me in the comment section and I will be happy to respond to you. One more thing I wanted to inform is that I recently published a cookbook which is around 348 recipes with 400 images. So that particular book is available in paperback and hardcover format, and also multiple digital copies of this book is available. If you're interested in buying it, then I have shared the link in the description, and also there will be book review available for which I have also shared a link in the description. So now let's proceed towards the recipe. Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Krsnatarian way of cooking. So as you see, today I am going to share with you a very nice Khaman Dhokla recipe. This is an instant Khaman Dhokla recipe. It is very widely used during the party snack times. Kids love it, adults love it, and it's so much easier to make. This recipe is also available with a different version in my cookbook. And today I'm going to show you how to do the tempering in a little different manner. So let's go to the recipe. 1 plus quarter cup of chickpea flour, chana atta. Then quarter cup of suji or semolina. 2 tablespoons finely granulated sugar. If you're using regular one, then use only 1 tablespoon of that. 1 teaspoon of citric acid, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, then 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix everything nicely. Add a tablespoon of ginger chili paste, a tablespoon of oil, then gradually add water to it. Now I have used around 1 cup of warm water. Just try adding gradually. You can add little more than 1 cup, not a problem. Just make sure there are no lumps. Now you have to add around half tablespoon of Eno. The blue packet Eno, which is the regular flavor, that's what you have to add. And by this time I've kept the water on boil in a pot for steaming. I've greased this pan nicely with some oil and I'm going to pour the batter. If there are any bubbles, then you can just pop them. Now in this water, while it is boiling, I have placed this stand and also have put some citric acid so that the color doesn't change of the pot. And then I've covered it like this, and on medium heat I'm letting it cook for around 20 minutes. Now I know how the dhokla cooks, so if you do not know that, then just use a toothpick to check it. I let it cool down for 10 minutes. With a butter knife, very gently I am going to divide it horizontally and vertically. Do not use a knife, just use a butter knife, which is easier. And here you see the dhokla turned out so nice and fluffy. Now we are going to make the tempering spices. So in a small skillet I have taken around 2 tablespoons of oil. Let it heat a little bit. Then I added around a teaspoon of mustard seeds, spluttered, and then I added a chili slit. Then I added around 1 tablespoon of sugar and few handful of cilantro leaves and curry leaves, and I just nicely sauteed it. Then I added around 1 cup of water to it and reduce the heat. Now this tempering spice I am going to put it on top of the dhokla. Now you can also add citric acid to it, or you can also add some salt, but I did not find the need for it. I also added some sliced bell peppers, which is also called as capsicum. This kind of tempering actually helps your dhokla to remain more moist, and that's what I like about it. You can use your regular tempering method, not a problem. Now some people also garnish dhokla with coconut, grated coconut, or papaya, or even pomegranate. You can do all the kind of dressings you want to. I just wanted to keep it simple. So if you see this dhokla, how nice, soft and moist it is, this is what exactly we wanted. And without the long waiting hours of fermenting the dhokla, this is one of the instant methods, vegan methods through which you can make the dhokla. I also made a green chutney to accompany this instant dhokla. The recipe of the chutney is really very easy and simple. It's like I use this particular chutney in many other recipes as well. So this is the green chutney I was talking to you about. So I'm going to place this as well. I'm going to put a tulsi leaf and offer this dhokla at the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. This makes our offering complete. And I still remember someone had asked in the video of how to make an offering. I will come up with a video soon of a very simple way to offer food to Krishna. That should help. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.